You want to ride, little boy?
Yeah.
Okay. What about that? There's a little girl on top of that lady there. You want to ride, Anna?
Daddy made something on my bed what? Daddy,
Yeah?
everybody don't look at it. Santa's what?
Yeah. Can you describe them for me?
Yes.
Go ahead, describe them. What are they like?
But
Black.
this.
No, you need to cover that up before it's properly.
Oh.
Take the piece of buffer and stuff. And put that out on the front too. I only need a little half. I only put just this small half. I only four.
Okay, so Mommy's donating that to you.
Daddy,
Yeah?
me up on first.
Okay, go ahead. You hop on.
You sit here.
Okay.
And mommy up on after me.
It's too hot. Keep your head still.
Come on, hop
Mommy, mommy,
Yeah.
you just on after me.
Do you want to move before I get on there?
on. No, it's fine. Hop on it.
A bit. Mommy, Mama says to some dad. Daddy,
Yeah?
I don't put some dad.
Okay.
Put some gas.
Grass.
Here's some grass.
Yeah.
Ready?